and your left hand is going to come on the right. You're going to pull in both directions and maintain the pull throughout the whole motion and rotation. And the line of the towel is about right at eye level there. So you should feel just a little bit of pressure on that bump there when you do this. And what you're going to do when you maintain the pressure, you're going to move your arm at the same time as you're turning your head. And what you're going to feel is you're going to feel like some assistance in rotating your head. And what you can do is put a little bit of pressure with this at the end, holding this for 3 seconds and coming back. And try to maintain the pressure as well as when you come back, as just releasing here might not feel so great. So just like this, holding 3 seconds and 3 to 5 repetitions, no more than that. For the other direction would be basically the opposite. Your left hand is going to come on the right hand on the left, right in this direction, like this.